Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about setting up indoor grow lights. It's way easier than you think. Now, how many of you have hesitated getting grow lights set up indoors because you've never done it before? Maybe you think it's too complicated, it feels very overwhelming, or maybe you think it's just too expensive. Or there might be those of you who do have indoor grow lights set up, but you have some questions. Well, welcome to the First Time Gardener videos. This series is all about helping you grow your vegetable garden in a quick, simple, and inexpensive way, from seed all the way to harvest. And today we're jumping right into indoor grow lights. Way easier than you think. So follow me for this series. In 2022, I'm going to be showing you how to grow your own garden grocery store in a quick, simple, and inexpensive way. Let's jump in. Do you want to know my secret to indoor grow lights? I keep it simple. There's tons of information out there about grow lights, different colors of lights, fancy stands. You can spend tons of money on grow lights. But the secret is keep it simple, keep it doable, keep it low cost, and make it fit the space you have. When you're starting your vegetable garden, starting seeds indoors is a great way to save money and grow all kinds of beautiful varieties of vegetables. But you might start your seeds indoors and then think that you can just place them by a sunny window and they'll get enough light that they need to grow strong and healthy. And it's just not enough light by this window, even if you have a south-facing window. Seedlings need intense, direct overhead light, or their stems get leggy, reach for the light, and then they're not nice, strong, stocky seedlings. So a game changer for me was when I started using grow lights many years ago. Made a huge difference in the health of my seedlings, and I got a lot more veggies out of it. Now I'm going to let you in on another one of my secrets, and that is light bulbs. A lot of people think you can use a regular light bulb from your living room lamp. Well, you can't. You've got to have a special light bulb that's especially designed for growing vegetable seedlings. And in order to do that, you need to know the lumens and the Kelvin value. Now don't get scared, I'm going to explain to you exactly what that means. Lumens is the measure of brightness or intensity of the light. So when you're buying a light bulb, what you want to do is look at the back of the package. It'll have the lumens value on the package for the measure of the brightness or intensity. You want that number to be between 1500 and 3000. So this here is 1550 lumens, which is perfect for growing vegetables. Now, Kelvin refers to the type of light your light bulb produces, and you want that number to be in between 4500 and 6500 because that's what best mimics daylight. Now, for example, this number here, your Kelvin is 5000, so this light is perfect for your grow lights. Now, on both lumens and Kelvin, both those numbers do matter, so look for both on the back of your light bulb package, and the higher, the better for your seedlings. Now, both these lights are LEDs, they're very energy efficient, and to make it easier for you, I put the exact links to the lights I use in the video description. Just click on it, it'll take you right to them. Now that we've talked about lights, let's dive into the setups. Now the first one I'm going to show you is super simple. It's perfect for the person who doesn't have a lot of space, doesn't have a lot of time, or doesn't want to grow that much. It is definitely the least expensive. It uses one of these twist light bulbs that I was just showing you, and all it is a clip light. You might even already have some of these in your garage. You just clamp it onto a cabinet and you put one little tray of veggies underneath, plug it in, turn it on, and you are good to go. You can grow yourself a nice little pot of herbs or start your seedlings indoors here right on your countertop. The second setup, you're going to use the same twist bulb, the same clamp light. It's for the person who has a little bit more space, maybe wants to grow a few more veggies, and it's so easy. It's called the Grow Light Box. Now, a lot of you have grown in these for years. I love these because they're super portable, they're compact, they've got a lid on them so your pets won't get into them. And all it is, you've got your clamp light attached to the lid here with a little hole cut in the lid. This is a great little DIY project. This is a 30-gallon storage tub. So what you do is you start your seedlings, you put them inside, and then you keep the lid on, and voila, you've got a perfect little grow light box. Portable, you can stick it in the corner, put it on a table, put it on up in your closet or wherever you want it. But super easy setup for growing a few more plants. Now let's talk shop lights. The third setup uses the shop light here, just set up on a cabinet. So this is perfect for someone who wants to grow a few more plants, has a little bit more space. All you need is a cabinet or a countertop. So let's just talk about the light first. This is a 4-foot shop light, but they also come in 2-foot lengths. This has got 2 of the LED bulbs in it, and this particular light does come with the LED bulbs included. That link will be down below. And let me just show you the setup here. What I've done to make it portable is I've got S-hooks here in the top of the little shop lights, hooked to a little chain. And these chains come in the package with the lights. And what I've done is I've just suspended the grow light over these milk jugs filled with sand. A PVC pipe is stuck in the middle here. And that way it hangs your grow lights right over your plants. So it's really a nice setup for a cabinet countertop. It's portable. You could move it around your house. Super inexpensive. A great way to get started with grow lights. Now for our fourth and final setup, shop light with shelves. So this one maximizes all the vertical space. Perfect for someone who wants to grow a lot of vegetables, has a little bit more space to grow in. And let me just tell you a little bit about how they're attached. I love this setup. So again, we've got a similar attachment here with the S-hooks and the chains. You just hook them over the shelf on the top. This shelf has 5 different shelves, so you can really grow a ton of veggies here. You just suspend your lights over your plants, and the shelves come in 2-foot, 3-foot, and 4-foot lengths. So just choose one that works for the space that you're growing, and a couple of different ways that you can work the lights. You can either suspend them right over the shelves like I just showed you, and then raise and lower the lights as your plants grow, or put the lumber or old shoe boxes under your plant tray to raise them closer to the light. Then as your plants start to grow, you can remove your blocks of wood to accommodate your growing plants. I've shared a lot of secrets with you today about grow lights. This one is the most important one. You gotta have your grow lights on a timer. I forget to turn my lights on and off, but you know what? A timer doesn't forget, which is exactly what you need to grow nice, strong, healthy seedlings. So let me show you my favorite timer. It's a timer that has a power strip. It has one side that's timed, one side that's always on. So I plug my grow lights into the timed side, leave them on for 18 hours a day, off for 6 hours a day, and it's a really simple little spin timer. I don't prefer the digital timers because sometimes they can be kind of hard to program. The spin timer is super, super easy. The timer does the work for you, just set it and forget it. Wouldn't you agree that setting up indoor grow lights is way easier than you think, especially for you first-time gardeners? I'm really curious, which grow light setup are you going to be using? The cabinets with the clip lights, the grow light box, the shop light with the cabinets, or the shop light and shelf setup? And don't forget about that timer. Everything I've shared with you today about grow lights is written in my book, Organic Gardening for Everyone. I have a whole chapter on grow lights, so you have it all written down. So head over to CallieKimGardenandHome.com. You can grab my spring garden and my seed book bundle, save yourself $5. Grow your vegetable garden with me this spring. And whenever you make a purchase, you get a free lettuce seed collection on my website. And to make it even more cost effective for you, when you grab my new book and pre-order it, Raised Bed Gardening for Everyone, you'll get a $10 coupon code for $10 off my website. And all that information is over at CallieKimGardenandHome.com. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you'll be growing with me this spring with the First Gardener videos. Subscribe. We've got a ton more videos to come to help you grow your garden grocery store in 2022. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.